still on a year Ken Ofori Atta. Meaning about letters be abe pieja abe tuja sisiano ebra ene da information eba say a year Ken Ofori Atta ye sheshe ni ade no. Man focus or you fugitive as we were saying earlier. Be say Ujani ade no. And a letter for Frabe to just say on the 5th of February they actually sent a letter to a year Ken Ofori Atta say investigation me cause as investigation active investigation. We need your cooperation and we need you to come to the office of the special prosecutor. And our lawyers of a Ken Ofori Atta they wrote back to office of the special prosecutor. So okay, ABCD but mini country nimu intimeko me to kwana me ba I avail myself and no and I no ka say a year letter abetu join party say Ken Ofori Atta actually sent a letter replied to the OSP say his lawyers will work with them whilst he's on a vacation as whilst he's on a medical leave and no and a man for say the way I hear try to be painty Ken Ofori Atta so he fugis Ojane he say I put the Interpol the national security in US FBI almost in a check almost they be and no crap. I don't know if yesterday realizes BBC even did a story about this. Now we have the press release of a bra or mucho a year krata no comma a year Ken Ofori Atta. So I think that is what is on the screen. If you can help us read it, we are near the response a year Ken Ofori Atta and the lawyers for no almost mucho comma a year OSP.
Until the 5th of February 2025, Kenneth Ofori Atta any the address ho any the man no direction to attend the office of the special prosecutor. By a letter dated 24th January 2025, you were informed that the office of the special prosecutor OSP has commenced investigations into suspected corruption and corruption-related offences regarding 4 cases in respect of which the office of the special prosecutor considers you as a suspect. Further, you were directed to attend in person the OSP at 6 Haile Selassie Avenue, South Ridge, Accra on Monday, 10 February 2025 at 10 o'clock GMT for interviewing. It's GMT near the Greenwich Meridian time. But me Ghana time. By a letter dated 31st January 2025, the law firm Minka Premo, Osei Bruce, Catherine, and partners per Justice Kusi Minka Premo Esquire informed us. Is it Esquire or Esquire?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Informed us per your instruction that you are out of the jurisdiction indefinitely on medical grounds and that the firm would notify us of your arrival in the country in aid of scheduling your personal attendance at the OSP. Further, the firm offered its willingness to provide the OSP with any information we may require to aid in the investigation until your arrival in the country. The OSP does not need or require notification from your lawyers of your arrival in the jurisdiction. The OSP acknowledges your lawyers' gracious offers to provide us with information in aid of investigation. However, your personal attendance at the OSP is required. The OSP declines your request to be away from the jurisdiction indefinitely on medical grounds. On your say so, you are directed to indicate by the close of business on Monday, 10th February 2025, a reasonable date of your return to the jurisdiction and attendance at the OSP. If you fail to do so, the OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure your return to the jurisdiction and attendance at the OSP at your own choosing. Faithfully, Kisia Jabeng, Special Prosecutor.
So you realize that this particular letter by the date was 5th February.
Yeah.
4 days or 5 days after I was sent information about say some people, unsuspected people, or we don't know them, unnamed people, are storming the premises of a year Ken Ofori Atta. And I'm for so and yet oral na a year OSP. And a OSP say and you're no. Okay. Now, per what is happening and per what is coming, it is suggesting say a Kamia question Ken Ofori Atta or cast only country no. some people are more a fraction of the NDC working in close proximity with the OSP and ORA, no, and the national security, no, they wanted to go and confirm if he was really there and I say
or not.
What am I saying now? What you read, no, there's a response because Ken Ofori Atta and the lawyers, no, they also responded, say okay, matro a year client can Ofori Atta say mo person mo year person mo ni interview near there no be in one but only country, and subsequently they even went further ahead to actually put a medical record. Now this is called medical record, no, current baby a year papi orji ayaresa your friend is we into screen so my sorry baby ye papi orji ayaresa no Mayo Clinic Pennsylvania, Minnesota into which the medical reports in the screens no so now may enlarge now you could see say has say no Mayo Clinic.
Yeah.
What I say, what must, but before I bet to us, you read this particular thing because he had to give evidence. Only Cronies and he is not around. So be exactly. So you read the lawyers no, I think it's a route to help us with this one. We are near Ben is to check the medical report for us. Yeah, so you can read for us, Madam Ruth.
Right now, okay. So with me.
All right, so they are preparing screenshots in it for other screens, no, so no.
Okay, so
yeah.
To whom it may concern.
Yeah.
Hello, dear sir.
Let me say if you can speak into the microphone.
To whom it may concern. Hello, dear sir or madam. Mr. Kenneth Nanaya Ofori Atta has been seen and evaluated at Mayo Clinic in Rochester.
Okay.
His medical condition necessitates.
Don't worry.
Necessitates that he will stay and follow up on his appointment and undergoing further testing and management, including possible surgical intervention in March of 2025. Please contact me with any further questions. Sincerely, Ahmed Abdullahim, MD, Section of International Medicine in Rochester, Minnesota. Any address.
Okay, so no from this letter, so from this letter, no, you could see that Ken Ofori Atta indeed, the entity say it's not in the country. Say it is so.
It is true.
It is. And then even crying, I saw a video of him at a friend is airports. A New York airport, maybe airports in the yes. Okay. I'm saying JFK airport also. We saw him with a Ghanaian so much picture. So Ken Ofori Atta, the picture man for paint say no, I don't think so. It is how it is. I'm sure say he wants to come to Ghana and at the right time. No, you know he's been sick for some time now. And
someone who are sick.
And see, I need the say holidays. Say before the elections. Also before the elections, so be to say a year Husnado can say ye inclusive border na nkofo yin on betu kwan. Okay. Yes. Na Husnado only ma ye adwuma da. So
oni momu suban.
It will can say mun close border no be na NDC for so omuntimi ko bibia hwe ene na omunyina ene na omunyina edwane. So what they can do is they can say so they hold on because 4 years they had everybody is here scan with we or the bia ye properties so abrochi to obetima tena abrochi by so many years akwam crown the nether. That's exactly what is really that's exactly what is really happening. I just say I mean everyone is really talking about it. Yeah.
Hey, Asmo. The other screen is we response a free lawyers in the whole bar office of the special prosecutor. The Edika can no you can say medical report on tell your doctor for the it's your direction to attend the office of the special prosecutor. Further to our letter dated on the 31st of January 2025 and its response to yours dated on the 5th of February 2025. We write as solicitors for Kenneth Ofori Atta in respect of the above subject which was addressed to our clients and in which we were copied. Please find attached here to a document indicating that our client is receiving medical attention at Mayo Clinic in the USA, detailing his appointment and timelines suggestive of a post-March date when our client may be able to return to Ghana. March!
And Chaba.
We shall be grateful if any attendance in person required by your August office is fixed, taking into account the medical report from his doctors, counting on your cooperation. Yours faithfully, PP Minka Premo, Osebonsu, Bruce, Catherine and partners. Not just a Justice Kusi Minka Premo, Esker, or no, and not just ne, Nensa, Eshesa.